What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. Alright, wanted to do a full update. Right now, I would say the situation is kind of the same as yesterday. I mean, yesterday in the afternoon we got a nice bullish move. But we also, in the end, so far it was a bit of a fake out. So that's a bit of a bearish confirmation. And then apart from that, you can also see that we are not getting as much support anymore from the 28 EMA. So in general, look, we're not bearish, all right? I mean, if you look at this chart, we're now on the 1 hour time frame. So that zoomed in a lot. If you zoom out, we're still very bullish. But the main question still is all right, well, we are bullish, but can we actually break above this range? Because that's the main question. We're at a massive resistance level right here at around 71,500 and 72,000. And to actually see more bullish momentum for Bitcoin at least, we need to break above that. And I cannot answer yet whether we actually can break above that or not. But I will try to give you as detailed as possible analysis on what to expect. All right, so what we're seeing right now is a bit of a bearish divergence, all right? Because if you look at Bitcoin and you look at the statistics, what you will see is that, all right, well, when we first hit 71,000, we rallied higher towards 71,800. That's all great, and at the same point of time, we also gained momentum, so that's not where the divergence is. But then when you look at the RSI, you can actually see that the RSI made a lower low while the price made a higher high. So that's a bit of a bearish divergence. Now, does that bearish divergence always work? No, all right. It's just one of the signs and one of the factors that we can use. And then apart from that, you can also see that after that bullish momentum yesterday evening, we saw a relatively big sell-off. Like, it's so far the biggest sell-off we've seen since 2 days ago when we started rallying right here. So that means something. And the spot CVD is also relatively negative here and has actually been dropping down quite a bit again since yesterday. So for me, that's quite a lot of bearish confirmations. Now, do I think we can break above 71,500 and 72,000? Yes. But with all of these bearish confirmations and with all of these factors pointing downwards, and then apart from that, perhaps most importantly, us hitting the top of this consolidation range here, which I always say it's best to assume that when you're consolidating, and that is the market structure, assume that we're going to keep consolidating. So I think it's most likely that this is the top and that from here we will see a bit of a drop. Now, important levels we need to look at is basically this level right here between 70,000 and 69,500. And I do want to stress that even though I think it's most likely that from these levels we will have a bit of a dump or a bit of a pullback at least, I still will be very alert for a potential bullish breakout. All right, I still have a very big spot portfolio which I'm holding. I don't see any reason why to sell that, but just short term, I think it's most likely we'll drop down from here. Due to those bearish confirmations, but also just after hitting a massive resistance level. It's not that weird to drop down from there. So that's what I expect, and then we need to see how we react to levels such as 70,250, 70,000, and 69,500. Those are, I think, our main support levels right now. And if we can actually get a bullish reaction from those levels, and the momentum or the open interest starts to rally back up, for example, which it's not actually bearish right now. It's actually like the open interest is actually relatively bullish now and it's actually going up. But what you can see is that the CVD is relatively negative. So that means that shorts are being opened, which is not the momentum you want. So that's what I think is most likely. I will keep you updated on this. The thing is that and I know that goes against what I'm saying, all right? Because what I'm saying is that short term, I expect some bearish momentum, and that from there, based on the reaction, we can actually rally back up to 72,000 and potentially break above that. Now, what is true as well is that with these shorts being opened, and what we've seen quite a lot as well, and you see it now right here as well, is that quite a lot of liquidity is being formed to the upside towards 72,500. So yeah, like I said, I think this is most likely, but you should be prepared for both scenarios, all right? And a different scenario is a short squeeze to the upside, which would be bullish. But I'll keep you updated on this. Today we also have some news, so I'll make a middle of the day market update at 2:30 or something, UTC plus 2. But that's for later. For now, this is what you need to know. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.